Hello everyone, I'm back to do another review today, this time looking at an oil-based pomade. It's the new one from the tarot card series. This one's called Death. So it's the most recent one from the tarot card series, and it's a collaboration of Lockharts with Adam, and I'm very sorry Adam, I don't know how to pronounce your surname. I did actually try and look it up, but I couldn't find out how to pronounce it, so apologies for my ignorance. Adam, S-Z-U-L-C Barber. So it's a collaboration with him. So there's an interesting backstory to why it's called Death. I'm not going to go through it now because it'll take too long, but if you look up on the Lockharts website, there's an interesting backstory to why it's called it Death. End of 2020, Death card, tarot card is misunderstood. It actually means sort of new beginnings rather than death. But yeah, look it up and read it because it's an interesting backstory. The artwork is really cool. I was going to focus on it. Like all the all the tarot card series are all really nice designs. You probably can't pick it up very well. But yeah, it's got the goon on a flag there, and yeah, really cool traditional sort of tarot card design. And then on the side we've got the hold level, volume, texture and shine. So hold, it gives 4 out of 5, volume it gives 3.5 out of 5, texture it gives 2 out of 5, and shine it gives 4 out of 5. And it's a firm oil-based pomade. Yeah, a 3.7 ounce jar. It's plastic, sort of brown plastic. It's plastic, isn't it? Yeah. Jar. There we go. So the scent on it is chocolate vanilla, and it is really, really chocolatey. You can really smell that chocolate scent on it. Not like Cadbury's or I don't know what you get in America, like Hershey's. It's like a real deep, nice chocolatier style chocolate scent. It's a very nice scent. It's not necessarily what I would pick if I was given a choice of scents, but it's nice to get something a bit different, push you out of your comfort zone sometimes. But yeah, it's a nice scent. Then the colour is this sort of brown kind of a colour. Scoops out very easily, a little bit of pressure, but no problems really. And breaks down nice and easy as well. No problems at all. Same with the application. So I'm doing onto towel dried or damp hair as always. And it goes in nice and easy. Hair is actually probably slightly wetter than it should be, but it should be okay. So this is also advertised as an easy washout. So because obviously with oil base, they are notoriously difficult to wash out of your hair. It's what puts most people off using oil-based pomades, is that it's hard to wash out. I mean, I personally don't find it that much of an issue. I might do a separate video sort of explaining how I do grease, because I never find it really that much of an issue. I use tonics and then Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist, and then the Aussie Moist shampoo, and I never have too much issue. I know I've listened to watch some reviews of people doing oil-based ones, and they say it took like 4 or 5 showers to get it out, but I've never experienced that personally. So this is advertised as an easy wash oil-based, and from using it, it does wash out easier than the normal oil-based. Still did use tonic, and I still did use Aussie 3-minute Miracle. It won't come out with just shampoo, but then I think it says in the description that you still need to use conditioner method, but you just have to use less than you would with a normal oil base. So say I just degreased just now before doing this video. I think that was 3, I'm not even counting. I just degreased before doing this video, and I had about 5 days build up of goon grease, fire and brimstone, and what did I use yesterday? Can't think now. Oh, the Pump's Not Dead, Night of the Slicking Dead. So about a 5-day build up of that, and I had to use like 4 big dollops of the Aussie 3 Minute Miracle to get it properly out. With this, I think I got away with just using 2. So it is definitely easier than most oil-based products. But yeah, you will still have to use Aussie or whatever conditioner you use. I find Aussie 3 Minute Miracle to be the best, but other people might prefer other stuff. So yeah, see, it went in nice and easy. Now styling with it is good too. The shine, as I said, the shine, what did it give? 4 out of 5, yeah. I'd call it a natural shine once it sets, once like my hair dries and it sets and everything. It's a natural shine. Probably natural to sort of medium. You see the comb goes through really easy. It's not snagging on my hair or anything. So it's, yeah, it's nice and easy to work with. My hair's getting really long now. It's like down to here. But again, I'm probably going to keep that length because I find it is actually easy to start with. And actually, well, my hair stays in place better with that kind of length. You can see it's styling nice and easy. Comb this side down. And that probably would do. So I'm going to do a end of the day section of the video again to show you how it holds up throughout the day. I almost think maybe with oil-based ones it'd be good to do like a day, do a day 1 and then like a day 3, because with oil bases, obviously mostly what you're working with, oil bases most of them perform better with build-up. So you're almost kind of doing them a bit of a disservice only showing them on the day 1. But yeah, if anyone thinks that's a good idea, let me know. Maybe I'll do that with the next oil base. Do a day 1, maybe like a day 2 and a day 3. But anyway, so there we go. That's pretty much done. So it feels like a firm hold. Control and everything is good as it should be. Again, it's what you expect with an oil base. You don't really expect there to be any problems with the control. So there we go. So I'll come back to you at the end of the day and talk about restylability and everything. But again, it's an oil base, so not much to say there. It's as it should be. But I'll come back at the end of the day and just show you how it's held up throughout the day. See you in a few hours. Bye for now. Hello. So it's the end of the day, and as you can see, my hair still looking pretty darn good. So yeah, endurance is, as you'd expect with an oil-based pomade, very good. Restylability, again, as you'd expect with an oil-based pomade, is very good. So I've recombed my hair probably about 2 or 3 times, and it's still looking good. So I said earlier it's more of a natural to medium shine. I think actually it is definitely more of a medium shine, almost on the shiny end of a medium shine. Yeah, it's got a nice amount of shine to it. That's obviously exaggerated slightly by the light that I've got behind the camera, but yeah, I'd say it's more of a medium shine than a natural shine. So it's a really, yes, it's a really nice oil-based pomade. Easy wash, yes, it is slightly easier than normal oil-based. You still will need to use conditioner, but yeah, it does come out easier. It's not going to come out with just shampoo or anything, but it does come out easier than normal oil-based pomades. You don't have to use as much conditioner or Aussie 3 Minute Miracle as you do with other. So yeah, it is easy wash. Firm hold, I would probably say it's on the lighter side of a firm, pushing towards a medium. The reason I say that is because with firm and heavy products, they tend to completely dominate my hair in the sense that they sort of take away the natural characteristics of my hair and just, you know, force it into shape. This, particularly sort of around this side here, keeps the natural characteristics of my hair, and I notice this more with mediums. So it keeps like these little sort of wavy bits here, and yeah, just more of the natural character of my hair comes through. Say with a true firm or a heavy, like this side here would just be up high and it would be like a big high tall pompadour. This is more natural, if you can sort of see here. So yeah, it hasn't completely taken over control of my hair. So that's not a bad thing. Both are good. That's why I use mediums, firms and heavies, because sometimes I want my hair to just be like in shape, pompadour, not going to move. Sometimes it's nice to have that more sort of natural feel to the hair and let the natural characteristics of the waves and stuff come through. So I would say it's probably more on the, I'll still call it a firm, but on the lighter end of a firm. So there we go. Medium shine, lighter end of the firm, and a nice easy wash. So yeah, very nice pomade. Yeah, and yeah, I'd recommend you pick one up if you haven't already. Might be a good, if you're not used to oil-based, it could be a good introduction into them. If the washout thing worries you, you're worried about not being able to wash it out, it'd be a good intro into oil-based for you, because it does wash out a bit easier than any others. So, hope you enjoyed the review, found it useful. Next time I'm going to be doing the Lockharts Capone Barber collaboration, which is the Untouchable, which is their sort of water-based hybrid clay. So I'm going to be doing that next time. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. I'll see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye for now.